Hello and welcome to today's makeover featuring the Earthy Bouquet Transfer from Dixie Belle. Today's simple project will feature a Dixie Belle Bells and Whistles transfer as well as chalk mineral paint. As always, begin by cleaning your project inside and out with white lightning. I painted on 2 even coats of dried sage. This is chalk mineral paint. It contains 0 VOCs and is safe to use indoor and around your pets. After that had dried, I'm going to come in with some sandpaper and sand back the edges for a rustic look. Let's open up this transfer and see what's inside. This is a smaller size transfer containing 3 sheets inside the packaging. There is also an instruction sheet as well as a small tool for burnishing your transfer down onto your piece. The colors on this transfer are earthy and organic feeling. I really love the boho vibe of this transfer. Applying a Dixie Belle Bells and Whistles transfer is quite easy. You simply remove the white backing from the initial sheet that you're using. After removing the backing, you stick it down onto your project. You will then use the enclosed burnishing tool to burnish off the transfer onto your piece. When using the small wooden enclosed tool, you do not have to burnish very hard. It's a simple release off of the clear paper and onto your project. This transfer worked out perfectly for size and fitting on the front of this piece. I applied the florals to the front part of this small box and then the pattern to the top. You can choose to seal your transfer in satin or flat clear coat. For this small project, I used my Best Dang brush and clear wax to seal the transfer onto the piece. Applying the wax in a circular motion over top of the transfer and then buffing back with a clean, dry cloth. After you have sealed your transfer, you are able to add any waxes or design choices to your project. But remember that transfers will not stick onto wax. Wax must be last after transfer application. To add a little bit more rustic charm to this small box, I decided to add some wax in brown. I used the French tip to come in and add some wax to the edges, as well as gold gilding wax to shine up the corners. Since gilding wax is an oil-based product, you can simply apply this last and know that it will cure on its own to a hardened finish. I felt that this small box needed one more small touch. I found a vintage keyhole from a discarded dresser and stuck it onto the front of the piece using a hammer and nails. This small wooden box has undergone a beautiful transformation with just a little bit of paint and a Dixie Belle transfer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.